we have continuously observed the manner in which the Secretary General and the party president violently react to anybody that raises questions about this money. Those two have continued to act in a very suspicious manner, including being violent to known party members, both youth and senior members. We understand that a committee of elders was put up to conduct an investigation in this matter, and we look forward to its report, although we are skeptical. We are in the know of the National Council meeting organized to take place on Friday, 28th July 2023 at our party headquarters. We are rather disturbed of the manner in which this National Council has been organized. This is because NEC and Working Committee were banned from sitting on orders of Honorable Nandala Mafabi and Engineer Patrick Amriat-Oboy. We must note that NEC is tasked with appropriating funds for such activities.